Hey guys, I'm Caitlin from Leave Me Alone Plants, and in today's video we're going to be talking about everything you need to know to take care of your Alternanthera chocochili plant. Now that name is a mouthful, I can barely say the first part, so we're just going to refer to it in the rest of the video as a chocochili. But these guys are super fun, cool, and easy to take care of plants. As you guys might be able to see here, they have a wide variety of these beautiful red and pink colors in here. So you know, my eyes are always drawn to super bright, colorful plants. Now, when looking where these guys are native to, they are native to the tropics in Central and South America, so that will guide us in how we are going to want to take care of these guys inside our home or in our gardens. Now these guys do like bright sun. They can be in full direct sun if you're somewhere unlike Arizona that doesn't have super strong sun. But you know, if you're growing them inside, absolutely get them as close to a window as you can. All these beautiful colors that are on here, they're going to become even more vibrant and more dark the closer that you get them to that window and the more light that they are getting. Additionally, these plants are going to be heat tolerant, so again, if you are living in the middle of the desert like your girl here, don't worry, these guys can handle it. They can be outside, or again, you know, you can grow them right inside your house, keep things a little easier. In terms of watering them, they do, like most plants, you know, they like their soil to be moist, not soggy, but do note that if you do let them dry out completely, they will get kind of wilty, kind of sad looking, drooped over. Don't panic if that happens. You can revive them, you can bring them back to life, but you know, if you can remember, if possible, try not to let these guys dry out completely, and they'll like you a lot more for it. Now, as you guys might be able to see, bring this a little closer, the plant's almost like a little tiny bush. However, these guys don't get super tall. They are more so low growers, and they'll just sprawl out from here. So if you're looking for something to plant outside, it's either going to have a lot of ground coverage, or maybe you're looking to put this on a shelf where you don't have a ton of room for it to grow up, but you do have room for it to grow out, then this will be a great option for you. Now, the easiest way to propagate this guy, if you're, you know, either looking to create more plants, smaller plant, or, you know, sharing is caring, is going to be to just grab this guy, pull him out of the soil, and just divide them. I always like division. I'm not, you know, as I always say, I'm not a great propagator, but you can actually take stem cuttings of these guys. If you are going to take a stem cutting, just cut below the node. This is actually a good example that you can see right here. So as you'll notice, there's these like 3 stalks right here, and it gets a little bit thicker and then it gets thinner as you go down. You're going to want to cut below on this thin part. Now, I know when I first started getting into plants, you know, I watched like Plantarina and all those awesome YouTubers, plant tubers, whatever you want to call them. They'd be like, oh yeah, just cut below the node. I never knew what that means. So if you are looking to propagate, you know, either this plant or other plants, they do a great job explaining in far much more detail than I could, but definitely, yeah, cut below that node. I hope that little explanation there helped. That is basically everything you guys are going to need to know about taking care of your chocochili plant. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, but if there was a question that you had that I didn't get a chance to answer, feel free to drop it down in the comments below, and I will try to answer it to the best of my ability. Hopefully it's not on propagating. If you guys found this video helpful, also don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for coming.